What is up, internet land? It is your boy Deion Sylvester once again coming at you live. And today we are going to talk about the sit challenge and what it means. What is the sit challenge? What are you talking about? Sit on your money, Deion. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, what's up? It is Deion Sylvester here once again coming to you guys, talking to you today. You know, I always bring the how-tos to you today. Today I'm going to bring to you how to. What are we going to talk about today? What are we going to cover today? We're not going to do the how to today. Today we're going to talk about the sit on your money challenge and what it does it mean. Guys, if you've been following me for any length of time, that you know that I make these videos, want to drop free value, as much value as I can, give you things, and just help the community grow as a whole. For budding entrepreneurs, new people that's looking to make money online, that's who I like to connect with and grow and blossom with, because I mean, as a new entrepreneur, there's a lot of bumps in the road. You got to have different mentors. You got to have different people that you look up to as leaders and things of that nature. So it's important to focus on, one, your mindset, what it is that you want. Always think about it. Never let it leave your vision. You focus on it, have tunnel vision. Those are the people that succeed. Those who exercise the most tunnel vision. That's it. So when we're talking about tunnel vision and focusing on the sit on your money, what is that? And why did it become a challenge? Well, the acronym for SIT is save, invest, and tithe. So it systematically means that for every dollar that you earn, you need to save 10%, you need to invest 10%, and you need to tithe 10%. For most people that go to church, they understand tithing. If you don't go to church, tithing is just giving. Do you have to give to the church? No, you really do not. It's just a form of giving. If you're driving in your car and you see that person on the side of the road and your spirit tells you that they need the help and you reach and you give them, that's giving. That's all a part of the tithing. But if you do it systematically, that's how you eradicate poverty. And if I give the average person $1 and put that dollar in their hand, what does the average person do with it? They're going to spend it. I mean, I'm going to spend this money, I'm going to go buy this. They automatically know. That's something that does not have to be taught. So when it comes to the saving, investing, and tithing, what are you saving for? I don't have to tell you what you're saving for. You know what you're saving for. You know if you want the new shoes. You know if you want a new dress, a new outfit, a new car, a new apartment, a new home, a new boat, a new building. I mean, you're saving for something in the future. So you need to take 10% and save for that so that you are that much closer to it when it's time to buy it. That giving, like I said, I don't have to tell you who to give to. That comes in your spirit. You help who you need to help, but do it systematically. Once that 10% is gone, hey, you can't give anymore until you make more money to give 10% of it. It's that that investing is the most important. Before I get into all that, guys, before I give you the value like I know, make sure you do 5 things actually, because I like giving away things. And I love to give away vacations, and I'm giving away another 3-day, 2-night vacation to one lucky winner. And all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, hit the notification button, and share this video with other people. So once you do those things and all those qualifications are met, then I enter your name in the drawing, and we have a drawing once a month. We had one, actually I did 2. I gave one away in August, and then just recently with one of my business partners, we gave away another one. So it's something that we do, but you have to follow those qualifications in order to do that. Okay, so the sit on your money challenge. I mean, how long do you think you can really live off of 70% of your money if you have a hard time living off 100% of it today? See, that's the challenge. The challenge is our parents and grandparents taught us how to live off 100% of our money for generations. That's how we have the poverty situation that we have. We are living off 100% of our money. Had somebody taught us just systematically, this is what I want you to think about. How many of you guys got children? Remember when your child was a baby and you hooked the crib up and put the piggy bank over there to match the color of the pillows? How many piggy banks was it? It was one. That one big old crayon piggy bank, or the piggy bank itself, but they had one piggy bank. And this is for my baby college fund and all of that stuff. Why do we only have one piggy bank? That's the way we were taught. But if we were taught, when we first get money, when you get $1, you better break it down. And you take 10 cents and you put it in your savings. You take 10 cents and you invest it. And you take 10 cents and you help somebody and you live off the 70. Had that been something that was taught systematically, we'd be a lot better off financially. The things that we're saving for, we would be that much closer. The people that we're helping so many people systematically that when we are in need of help, they're breaking our door down to help us. It's that investing, that's what we'll focus on. And with my new investors, people that have no idea what to invest in, how do I make my money grow? And that's a lot of us. And I'll be honest with you, I'll tell you the truth. If you've ever worked 2 years on a job and you got paid every 2 weeks, you got paid 50 times. If you got paid 50 times in 2 years and you never took $1 out of any one of those checks and sat it across the table and interviewed it to go to work for you, then you really don't know how investing works. That's just the bottom line. I just kept it as simple and plain as I possibly could. Investing is nothing more than giving your money a job to make it go work for you. That is investing. And you need to do it systematically. That's what we focus on here with the I on the Sit on Your Money Challenge. Now, if you have $1,000, then that means that you need to be saving how much? What's 10% of $1,000? Put it in the comments. I better see it in the comments. Y'all better quit playing with me. Y'all better quit playing with me. You know it's 100, so you're going to save $100. How much are you going to give away? How much are you going to tithe? How much are you going to think of other people? How much are you going to help others with out of your $1,000? 100. You're going to give away $100. Just help. If you want to take the 10% and just give it all away to the church, by all means do so. A lot of people do it systematically anyway. You take that $100 and you break it around through friends and family members and those just in need, strangers or whatever. Once it's gone until you get your next $100. But next is that investment. You need to learn how to give your money a job so that your money starts to work just as hard for you as you did to get it. So that means out of $1,000, how much do you need to invest? You need to be investing $1,000. If you make $1,000 a month, you need to be investing $100 of it a month. You need to be saving $100 of it a month. You need to be helping people $100 of it a month. Now, here's the magic of the I. The magic of the I is compound interest. You're looking to give your money a job where it continues to grow and double and compound. As it does that, what do? We systematically do the same thing. Once we make a profit, what do? We save 10% of our profit. We invest 10% of our profit back in our high bank. We help somebody with 10% of our profit. Then we have 70% left over. What do? That's all your investment bank. You are reinvesting your money. So you don't want to take huge risks when you're investing, when you're just getting started. And if you're brand new to business, you definitely don't want to jump into something like, oh, I'm going to get started with Forex. I'm going to start trading Forex. Ladies and gentlemen, there's nothing wrong with Forex at all. Do I trade Forex? Yes, I do. When I first started trading Forex, was it foreign? Yes. Forex is foreign exchange. It is just what the word says, foreign. It's a different language. And you have to learn that language. So when you are learning to invest with Forex and you are putting money in a brokerage account, which I'm sure many of us have no idea what a brokerage account is, but we'll get into those things a little bit later when we're talking about investments. Right now, we're talking about investments for the basics for investments. If you're looking at, look, I can't invest a lot of money. I got $100 to invest for the month, and I have to make this work. Then what you need to do is be introduced to mentors that are going to show you how to grow and produce inside of a business. You want to learn business skills. So you want to learn what it means to have an S corp or a C corp or an LLC or being self-employed. Which one works best for you? These are things that you need to learn when you're starting to build a business. If you're going to invest in yourself, start small. I can introduce you to, I have a mentor, as a multi-million-dollar mentor, multi-millionaire. But he is willing to take time out of his day and create courses to help people start off in business with an investment as small as $7 a month. $7 a month can show you how to get in business for yourself to build a business online. Once you learn how to build a business with that $7 investment, he's going to show you how to multiply and make your money grow even further. That leaves you with $93 left for the month to invest. We're going to show you how to invest safely, in the right different types of programs as a beginner and learn in the same process. Now, how do you do all of this, Dion? You said a whole mouthful. The Sit on Your Money Challenge is going to be ongoing. I know a lot of challenges last 5 days, 3 days. The Sit on Your Money Challenge, we're going to make this a continuous thing. We're going to have other challenges in the middle and in between helping other industries. But this Sit on Your Money Challenge is for generational wealth. For you to learn the strategy, for you to ingest it and teach it to your loved ones and your children, and so that they can have it, so that there's a picture of grandma and granddad on the wall of the great-grandchildren's mantle because of something that you did when you got started with the Sit on Your Money Challenge. So click the link below. Get started with us. There's going to be a link for the Sit on Your Money Challenge. We're not ready to launch that yet. I just wanted to, get you guys ready for it. But anybody that's new, you're ready to learn how to do investing. Matter of fact, what I'll do, I'll introduce you to my mentor. You can get, like I said, get started for $7. Just click the link at the bottom. If $7 is too much of a stretch for you, you know what? I'll do one even better. I'll give you a free course so that you can learn how to start and structure a business online. So both of those links you'll find down there at the bottom. But I just want to help as many people as possible to start their business, to get making this online money part of your reality. They say, man, you should have multiple streams of income. You should have 7 streams of income. Well, as one of my mentors says, he says you should have 1 stream of income and focus on it until it's 7 figures. Then diverse into 7 streams. How about that? Let's take that meaning to the bank. Okay, and remember, in closing, guys, like this video, share this video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you know that when we're dropping other jewels, other nuggets, you'll get that stuff first. And I want you to qualify for the 3-day, 2-night vacation. So make sure you do those things. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. This is your boy, Dion Sylvester, reminding you guys to sit on your money because we're going to start the Sit on Your Money Challenge real soon. Thanks, guys. Have a great one. See you next time.